Let's make this beautiful mushroom cookies. This is very easy to make and I hope you give it a try. It was delicious as well. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in softened butter. If your butter is not soft, make sure it is in room temperature. If not, put it in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds, and that should be soft enough. When done, add it to your mixing bowl. Add in sugar, vanilla extract, and whisk for about 7 to 10 minutes. You want it to be creamy before going in with your egg and sour cream. So I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. When done, go in with your dry ingredients, which is the baking powder and flour. The flour, I didn't add it to it all at once, bit at a time until I've added in all. So make sure you sieve in your flour as well and add it to it bit at a time. This turned out delicious. It was crunchy, soft inside, and you will love it. After everything has come together, go in with a clean hands and then bring everything together until it has formed a dough. Once it has formed a dough, don't overstress it. This is the consistency that you're looking for. It shouldn't be that sticky, it shouldn't be that hard, it should be in between. Now bring some, divide it into smaller pieces, one big and one small. So the bigger ones was around 20 grams each, and then the smaller ones was around 12 grams each. So the small one, bring it and roll it as seen in the video, and then pull the ends. So this more or less like a stem that we use to support the mushroom. So the big one, to roll it on your palm and then press the middle. You want to flatten it, but not that much. It should be as seen in the video, and then put it in the fridge for 40 minutes. So keep both in the fridge for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, bring it out and bake it at 170 degrees Celsius from 10 to 15 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 10 to 15 minutes. So the flat ones, when done baking, you have to take out the middle whilst it's still warm and keep it aside till it cools down completely. Next, you're going to melt chocolate. So melt chocolate and then scoop some in the middle as seen in the video, and then use the stem to push it in. Keep it in the fridge to set again before going in with your poppy seeds, and this is very easy. All you have to do is to dip it in the chocolate and then dip it in the poppy seeds. So when done, keep that one aside for it to set before going in with the next step, which is the last step. Add about a tablespoon of sunflower oil to the chocolate cream, mix until everything has come together, and then dip the head parts in, and you're good to go. So basically that's it. Keep it to set in the fridge to set, and this was beautiful, guys. This is beautiful, not just beautiful, it was delicious, and I hope you give it a try. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this was super delicious. Try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye bye.